What's up YouTube? I am Chili Dog and today I'm going to show you how to make good Dalgona coffee. Okay, first of all, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee is way too much. It is way too bitter. And if you look on the package of the coffee, it says 1 teaspoon is a cup of coffee. So the way I like to do it, I use 1 teaspoon of coffee. I like my drinks kind of sweet, so I used 1 tablespoon of sweetener. I'm going to use Splenda. This time, sometimes I use sugar, sometimes I mix sugar and Splenda, but I want to show you that you can make this just with artificial sweetener and it works just fine. I got my hot water. I do the 2 tablespoons of hot water because you need that volume to do it, to have something to whip up. I use a hand mixer. And we're just going to whip this right up. I'll show you. Excuse the noise. You can see it just whips right up. You can see it's whipping right up. You can tell when it's done because it'll just stop getting larger. There you go. It's nice and whipped up. 6 ounces of milk. Now this is just the way that I like to do it. Just give it a little stir in the container. There you go. Delicious Dalgona coffee. Later. Chili Dog out.